Hello guys and welcome back. You are watching .NET Go and our today's topic is what is exponential time complexity. So what is exponential time complexity? In exponential time algorithms, the growth rate doubles with each addition to the input, often iterating through all subsets of the input elements. Anytime an input unit increased by 1, it causes you a double of the number of operations performed. Algorithms with this time complexity are usually used in situations where you don't know that much about the best solution and you have to try every possible combination or permutation on the data. Exponential time complexity is usually seen in brute force algorithms. These algorithms blindly iterate an entire domain of possible solution in search of one or more solutions which satisfies a condition. They try to find the correct solution by simply trying every possible solution until they happen to find the correct one. This is obviously a not optimal way of performing a task since it will affect the time complexity. Brute force algorithms are used to cryptography as attacking method to defeat password protection by trying random string until they find the correct password that unlocks the system. So basically, what is going on in exponential time complexity. Let me tell you that this time complexity is the worst time complexity which we have. Okay, because this type of time complexity is take most of the time. It takes the highest time among all the other time complexities. Okay, why? Because this type of time complexity will happen when there is a requirement and you don't know that much about a correct way to how to manage your time complexity. At that time you can you may write some such type of codes which at the end of your program which follows this type of time complexity like exponential time complexity. So that time what will happen, your particular application will take uh, many times to perform a particular task and it will slow down your application performance also. And apart from that, there is a dedicated example of an algorithm which the algorithm name is the brute force algorithm. Now what is this brute force algorithm, right? So brute force algorithm basically used by a hacker. Okay, yeah. So how? Because if suppose there is a domain or there is an account and the hacker want to hack that one. Okay, so that time a hacker can use this brute force algorithm. It will take time because in this algorithm the hacker will code in such a way where the particular algorithm it will try each and every combination of a string and each time it will try to unlock your account. So like that it will keep on performing until unless it will find out the correct password. So those type of algorithm which are repeatedly continuously uh, you know uh, will be execute until unless it will find the correct answer or correct output. So that type of algorithm also followed this exponential time complexity. So exponential time complexity is denoted by big O notation and then inside the first bracket 2 to the power n. this n is your input size. So you can understand, right? If your input size is 2, then your time complexity will be 2 to the power 2, means it will be 4. If the n equals to 3, then your time complexity will be 2 to the power 3. 2 cube means it will be 8. So here I am having a diagram. You can assume that this is a graph where this is the x-axis and this is your y-axis. So this axis is dedicated for input data size, and this axis is dedicated for number of operations. And this particular array, by this particular array you can understand that the following growth of this particular exponential time complexity. Yeah, so that's it from my side for particular this session. Hope you have understood this session and you have liked this video. Please go and watch my previous videos also, where I have discussed with other time complexities also. So you will get a clear picture on what is time complexity and what are the different time complexities we have, what is the best time complexity and what is the time complexity we should avoid. So those things you can easily understand. And apart from that, yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, share and comment, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.